Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 86 of the Spitfire. Oh, no, I just found some screws in the battery box. Battery box, some cable clips, little switch, but yeah, the main parts are obviously these parts for the base. All there, all checked off. So I'm going to be getting into this build, which might be slightly different to the actual instructions, but I'll talk about that as I go through. But this will be the build for issue 86. Okay, so I'm going to need to bring over the main display stand. Okay, so yeah, the main display stand. Now, it's telling me to arrange wires in a particular way and then use these cable clips and put these cable clips down. Now, I haven't decided at this point whether I'm going to reduce this down. A lot of people are reducing this down because it is ridiculously large, and it isn't that difficult to do. All you got to do is reorientate the motors and these things. So I won't be sticking these down in position. Put them in where they're supposed to be, if you like, but I won't actually be sticking them down, taking the backing plate off and sticking them down until I've decided if I'm doing that or not. But yeah, first thing I've got to do, well, the first thing it's asking me to do is to sort out the orientation or where all these wires go. So I'm just going to kind of do that and see how we go with the orientation and the positioning of these wires. Okay, so that's kind of how that looks. Obviously, I would put, that would be fixed down, that would be fixed down, that would be fixed down, that would be fixed down. But that's I ain't going to fix it down yet, as I say, until I decide if I'm going to reduce this down in size. So we've now got the battery box. Okay, unravel the cable tidy. And then fit onto this CA. Okay. Looking at how this goes, you've got two holes there. Okay, so these go that way. So you've got your cables go towards here. Yep, that just fits in there. Not brilliantly drilled. Just fit these in a couple of turns. I'm actually considering getting the power pack and PartWorks upgrades. And that's ridiculous. That's crap. That's not drilled very well at all. Miles out. battery box in. Finally the switch, the main switch I guess. I'm going to put the SA identifier on this one. Thread that through. And then doesn't matter which way around it goes with it. And it just clips in. Switch. Okay, now we're going to put on the main panels. It does say that you've got to kind of bend these up. Now, as I say, because I don't know if I'm going to be keeping these, I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet. I'm really not that bothered at the moment. But, yeah, it's just quite simple, isn't it? First 3 panels in. And that's it. Okay, so that was issue 86 done there, yeah. Yeah, those first panels, as I say, 87 I haven't got yet, but it's going to be the panels again, isn't it? And the speaker, I think. We're going to be finishing off the display stand, hopefully. And as I said, I don't know what I'm doing with the display stand at this point. I don't know if I'm keeping that display stand or if I'm shortening it down. I don't know if I'm getting the PartWorks upgrade battery, power supply yet. I really haven't decided kind of what I'm doing on this. You know, I do know that in issue 100 you get a lot of modifications to do, some of it to the display stand, and there's an extra battery box going in and things like that. So I'm not too sure how much more I'm going to be doing on the Spitfire until I get all the way up to issue 100, because you know I know that's coming now, so I'm not going to be fitting all the panels just to take them off again. But wait and see what comes in the next subscribers pack, because that's it for this subscribers pack. That was the last of these 4 issues I've got. So yeah, I'll wait and see what happens, but I'll keep you updated. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto-1 and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.